Boy, it rough, you know. Look like when you're Asian, you're prone to tsunami attacks. Whether it be God-made or man-made.
Why you do it, John Crow?
If you don't pray the thing still, you know, a foolishness a boat man do, don't. But Mr. Chin kinda have to take some of my blame too. Cause why you go set up camp there so?
Oh my God.
And another question. Who make a stage? Break a leg is the figurative phrase. It was taken literally and several legs were almost broken. I think we found out who built the stage. We can easily see who caused and where the point of failure was initiated. Mr. Man in eye cap. It did look neat at first, you know, but that never means say build good. What was also neater how he just dropped right through the table. And so it happened on the right, so too was it on the left. Grey shirt just follow suit with everything. Speaking of left, his soul left his body temporarily. Chew him out. And as me mentioned mouth. Yak! Nyak! Fish you want, shiz you get. Come in, like a wee mix up in I. Me know. The fish knows same time did up, you know. The fish they are planned for that all in life. He say any day they catch my brother, any day they catch me, I know me alone them a go eat. I last lick that here. Just not lick your lips. It might kinda too late for that. Cause you definitely get some in your esophagus.
No fuck are you?
And while he's busy I clear out for him esophagus, I can see if he can go up in a tree.
Come on.
Alright, maybe win a business in a no tree. Cause it look like tree. In a tree, that a tree. If you know a cash pot, then you know the pre.
Them dead!
Yeah, since it look like we know if we climb tree, we go try a ladder, no?
के बाद प्रोग्राम जारी रहा या खत्म? नहीं प्रोग्राम किधर जारी?
Say it there, we skill with it.
जारी रहा. प्रोग्राम तो बढ़ गया.
You know what? Make we take down your ladder. Make we take it down. Okay, we are gonna just left the leather business altogether. Cause maybe we just naturally skilled and we don't need a leather for like get onto things or over things. We can just do it off our own leg strength.
Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass.
We just had my double check. Wasn't the aim of doing this sport to always, I stress, always land on the sponge?
Anything sweet you? Go and show your ass. That no hot.
Maybe them do things different where she come from. As me mentioned, doing things. Sometimes you feel listen and don't do things.
Don't do this.
Brother, you could see say enough space not there for you try flip this up.
Don't do this.
Raw born.
You like to do acrobatics in a tight spaces. You almost get a tight space do you almost for your neck. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah man, it coffin box packed tight enough. And you see when you have to do things you can at least be good at it or leave it alone. First thing, wrong line of work, brother. And from me see you in a shots, for site work, me dey just know say, yo, you know fi dead that up.
It's a qual to your band, pull it up.
If are you alone, that house then I got done building, you know, cause you got waste too much material. You see brother in a shot way I do? My video in the pan side a video. So maybe you go try go video sitting too and left his side work alone. Cause you probably can capture something like this. Me the thing they say captains are supposed to go down with the ship, not before the ship. Not before even boarding the ship. And you say before you lose your temper, always move your foot. Cause inanimate objects feel nothing. You feel everything.
Oh my God.
As me mentioned, foot.
Pero yo nunca había visto unos tenis así.
Que son duros, se llaman Gucci.
What in the nuclear mutation Agwan Yaso? Alright, make we count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 15, 1, 70, 1, 45. Hey, man have more toe than banana have finger.
Lo pero qué mal.
Something alright.
¿Tú lo quieres?
Something alright, yeah.
Brother, you can't wear shoes. The bars have 2 big toes, so when you wear slippers, like all you choose which part, you know, a little piece on the slippers will go between the toes, so like which set of toe you put through this, so you do it so even or some might odd. Like me have so much question, and if the longer me look on it, I more confused me get.
Never been seeing this yet.
Me not go make looking for your foot madness, so me gone, you see? Yeah, people.
That is it.
Another week, another video. Hey, you, yes, you, we'll sit down right there. Everything good? Everything alright? Okay, big up yourself, you see me? Hit the like button, of course, drop a comment, and definitely subscribe. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.